Okay, so for this lesson you're going to need some paints. I'm using watercolours today. You'll need a jar of water, some scissors, a pencil, a black pen, a paintbrush, a ruler, don't forget some glue as well, and then you're going to need some coloured paper, magazine cuttings, maps, whatever you can find. And then you're going to use some A3 paper or card. You can also use A4 if you want. I'm now putting a border around my paper. I'm using masking tape, but you don't have to use masking tape if you don't have it, or you can just use a ruler to make a border instead. And then with my pencil and a ruler I'm going to create some sections. I'm going to make some rectangles, triangles, squares, and then once I've done that I'm going to paint the different sections. Today I'm using yellow, green, blue, orange, red and purple. Now that my background is all dry, I'm just going to remove the masking tape so I've got a nice white border around my page. Okay, so here comes the tricky bit. So with a pencil you are going to start drawing a face, similar to the faces that Matisse does. I'm using a black pen so that you guys can see, but I strongly advise you have a practice on a scrap piece of paper beforehand. And then once you're happy with your face, and you can go over it in black pen. So you start off with doing sort of like an egg shape, and you can make the lines thin and thick. And then you start doing an eyebrow, and then that eyebrow connects to a nose. And then you do a mouth, the top lips, and then you just add the bottom lip. Now it's time to do the second eyebrow, but you don't connect that to the nose. Now it's time to do the upper eyelids, and then the pupils, but you don't do the lower eyelids. I'm now going to draw the neck, and then to finish off, this is optional, I'm going to do some hair. Now once you've done that, you're going to put your piece of paper to the side, because now with the coloured paper, magazine scraps, maps, whatever you can find, you're going to start doing the shapes that you will cut out. So Matisse does sort of coral-like shapes, squares, triangles, so just do a few of those. And then once you're happy with them, you're going to chop them up, and you'll have something like this. Now I'm going to put the shapes on my piece of paper and lay them out until I'm happy with my design. And I'll probably move the shapes around a little bit until I'm happy. And then as soon as I'm happy, I'm going to glue them down in place with a glue stick. You can also use PVA glue. Now that you've put your last shape down, you have finished your Matisse inspired art, and this is one I did earlier. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.